What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. The other day I was like looking through my comments and there was a comment from this lady that I didn't know who it was, so I like went to the profile and I was like, oh, this person's a chiropractor and they have 120,000 subscribers. I was like, dang, that's crazy, and they live in St. Augustine. So I was like, okay, that's awesome. That could be like a really good collaboration. So I commented back on hers, we talked a little, then I commented on one of her posts and I was like, hey, collab, question mark? And she's like, yeah, sure. And then we started talking on Instagram and we pinned down a date. And now today I'm going into her chiropractic office to get cracked. Reminding you, I've never ever met this lady ever in my life. Don't really know who she is other than about 10 comments on YouTube and about 20 messages on Instagram. So hopefully everything checks out like it's supposed to. Here we go.
Is it the Scum crew? Is it this?
No, it's like
Scump
with a P. Yeah, my friend made it up, and I was just like, you know, that's catchy. And
so this is your first chiropractic
yes.
adjustment.
Hopefully I can crack.
Well, what we call those cracks, or we call in chiropractic, it's a chiropractic adjustment. We're trying to make an adjustment to the spine, and basically how I work is I try to align the spine and bring everything back to neutral. Okay, usually the joints that are what we call subluxated or misaligned, there's more swelling and edema around them, and when you get an adjustment, that swelling normally, hopefully, goes down and you get more range of motion.
Gotcha.
Alright, so if you look down, you can see how this foot is out and this foot is in. So what this does is it just gives me clues. Your posture actually is one of the most important clues of how I'm going to adjust you. He's got a huge old trigger point right there. Eee, lovely. We call this is a rib head right here. And that's why he's got this trigger point over here. So no pain between your shoulder blades though?
No. I mean, when you were that trigger point when you were pushing felt a little
sore. Not too bad?
No, nothing.
Not too bad. He's got 11 brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
So nothing's gonna face this guy. And you're the youngest?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright, so first we're gonna start with a little bit of massage. Okay, just a little bit.
Alright.
See how ticklish you are.
Oh, dang it.
Dang it. You okay?
It's a little bit of pain.
It shouldn't be that bad. Is it really?
No, it's not too bad.
How painful? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah.
This little blonde chick. What's she gonna do?
So you got your thumb halfway in my neck.
Okay, there we go. Good, 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 good. The first time is the worst, okay?
Gotcha.
It is the worst. Alright, you ready? It's ready. Your neck's ready.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to take care of the right atlas first. So you're going to look this way. There you go. I'm going to set up. Oh, there's one. Right here. How'd you do?
That was awesome.
Other side. Here we go. Right here. Oh man, C2.
That was so much. Oh my goodness.
Very good.
Wow.
Oh no, baby toe. I already got that one. Good. Hey, 10 for 10. Yay. Good, that's your ankle. Here we go. Good. Navicular, good. Start. Hey, you're surviving, you're surviving. He's gonna live. There we go, good. Alright, now you're gonna go face down.
I look like a sumo wrestler. Like the sumo wrestler costume. Legit, look like a sumo wrestler.
Alright. That right there. Didn't make a loud noise, but that's okay. I know you felt it.
Yeah, I did.
Right there.
It's like a bumper.
Just a big trigger point. I'm sure you can feel it, no?
A little bit.
Okay. If you can. I'll make it. Massive trigger points here on the right.
Yeah, I can feel it on the right. A lot.
That's where your brother kicked you in the back. Right here. About everything I've got right there.
Yes. Oh! Was that a crack? Oh,
Very good.
He's just a boy.
He's just a boy. Bottom leg straight for me.
Okay.
Top leg bent. Yeah, this is the pretzel one.
Okay, yeah.
You ready for the pretzel?
Yeah.
Now you're going to bend your back backwards. I know you've got it in you. That's it. All right, I got you. You relax, or does this feel uncomfortable?
You got me in a pretzel.
All right, here we go. Okay. Deep breath in. I got you. I got you. Oh, we didn't get it. It's all right. Relax. I got you. I got you. That's it. That's all it's going to go. Other side. There we go. Deep breath in. I got you. Relax. I have to work on. Oh, there we go. There's some of it. Oh. There it is. Okay. I like to do up here, like a bird's eye view.
Okay.
I'll tell you when. Because when I use the scraper, all kinds of stuff comes out.
Gotcha.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that a scraper or is that your hand?
That's my hand. Like, what is she doing to me? What is she doing? Don't want to scare you off right away. But we gotta take care of that. It will only be this sore the first time.
Gotcha.
Okay? Every time you come in here, that's that metabolic waste we were talking about earlier.
Yep. That
gets blocked in there. You've got to get that out. You got to get it up through the skin, out into the tissues.
They have your face down so they don't see you cry.
Hold pressure on it. I know, you're doing good. And then, doing that. You didn't know you were bad there, huh?
Nope.
Catches that you feel. You need that tissue to glide and be smooth. Here we go. Now it's ready. Going the other way. 1, 2. It's going away. It's going away. You're doing good. Done. Scar tissue right there. And it feels like grainy tissue. And I know you can feel it, but
yeah,
right there. Okay, and it's not supposed to be hypertonic like that. So I adjusted it, took some pressure off of it, right? We went that way with the bones. That takes it relieves some of this pressure, but I'm gonna need to break out the scraper in order to get rid of the stuff on the surface here, okay?
Gotcha.
So this is the petechiae here. This redness will go away in about a couple minutes, but what will stay there for a day or two is this petechiae here.
And petechia means like...
It's just metabolic waste, congestion.
Gotcha.
You want to get blood moving, and you can see the areas where the blood is pooling. And not pooling meaning it's not circulating properly.
Yeah.
Everybody loves watching this stuff.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it like coming out. Like
what it looks like?
Yeah, just talking about it sounds crazy.
Oh, so yeah, I didn't know that was gonna come out like that.
Does it come out like instantly?
Yeah, sometimes when it's real bad.
That's crazy.
Now, all of this will be gone. It's just these little purple marks.
Yeah.
If Mom has, or if anybody has arnica, that's a really good one to put on after this.
Sure.
Ugh, I can just feel it underneath there.
It's not beach season, so it should be good.
You should be okay. Do that. You can actually see the scapula, the lines of it. It's right up against the bone.
That's a little ticklish.
Sorry.
You're good, you're good. When you have the lower.
Okay, I know. I'm gonna try to be careful.
No, it's all good.
Ooh, I know, I'm into your lat. Okay. And voila. Done.
You're done with your whipping, boy. You can see like my shoulder blades.
Yes. So what came out was the scapula.
Yeah.
Right in here.
That's insane. Yeah, it does look like I got beat up, Ty. It looks like I got. That is crazy.
And it didn't hurt. I'm just kidding. That's about all I want to do in one visit.
Yeah.
Okay, so next time you come back in, this probably won't look like that. I'll do it again and check it, but it won't be as red, hopefully.
Gotcha.
Unless you're a super athletic athlete, you know, like an Olympian.
Okay.
It won't come out as much. Next time we can go on a different region. Like you do the pecs, the chest, more of the neck. Okay, because you don't want to overload your system that much with toxins. Because this is a good level of petechiae. Like if no petechiae come out, I might search for something else. Okay, because your body over the next 4 days is going to dissolve that slowly into your bloodstream, and that's why I say drink water. Don't pee it out. You did really good. You want to do your ears?
What does that mean?
Adjust your ears. Adjust your ear. Good. Good.
I heard like.
Yes.
Is that what is that? Is that like?
It's the cartilage.
Wow.
We hear a lot better now. Your ears will be stretched out.
That's crazy.
Lean away from me. Good. I didn't get all of it. Next time. Yay! I got you.
That was a good one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the cracking. Thank you so much. This is awesome. And if you're in St. Augustine, come check out her place. It's really, really legit. It's Mondragon Chiropractic. Yeah. And that is her last name. That is awesome.
That is my last name.
But also this video of me getting cracked will be on her channel, right? Correct?
Yes, it will take me probably a couple weeks, but
so,
I'll eventually.
It'll be up in a couple weeks, so keep checking her channel out. Subscribe so you can watch that video of me getting cracked. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out and stay scumpy. Woo! Real quick, I just want to say thank you so much to Dr. Mondragon. This was my first time going to a chiropractor, and I suggest her to anyone, especially if you live in St. Augustine, to go get it done. If you're nervous about someone cracking your bones, it felt great. Like, it didn't hurt when she cracked my bones at all. It was nice and smooth, quick. Also, if you want to check out her channel, I'm gonna have it linked down below in the description. Click on that, it'll bring you right to her channel, and you can see the stuff that she does if you want to go there or not. But just want to say thank you so much for being my first collaboration and for cracking my back. Peace out and stay scumpy.